this is a video tutorial just to show 2-color brioche. This is based upon my Roll With It Shawl pattern that I have just released. Forgive me, just want to apologize ahead of time for the sound of needles dropping. I am using circulars and I tend to drop them. I apologize. Brioche needs to be done with either circulars or DPNs because you have to slide your work back and work each row twice. Once with your main color and once with your contrast color. So in the pattern we have the setup rows. We have set up row 1A. It's worked with the main color. All we do is knit across. I am trying to go slow. Instead of turning work, slide it back over to work row 1B. And this is where we will attach our contrast color. All right. With the yarn in front, you slip the first stitch as you're doing a yarn over. Purl. Sorry. Slip one. Purl. Yarn in front, slip one. Purl. Yarn in front, slip one. Purl. Yarn in front, slip one. Purl. Tighten those up. Now you're ready to turn your work. With the main color, we'll start row 1A. And this is the wrong side of the work. So yarn in front, slip one, and then we do a brioche purl by purling both of those together. Then yarn in front, slip one with the yarn over, brioche purl. Yarn in front, slip one with the yarn over, brioche purl. Yarn in front, slip one, the yarn over, brioche purl. And then make sure this last one, this is just hanging there, but we need to purl those together. All right. And slide your work this time. Work the row 1A with your contrast color. So brioche knit, knitting both of those. Yarn in front, slip it with the yarn over, brioche knit, yarn in front, slip, with the yarn over, brioche knit. Pull those tight. All right, now we're ready for row 2A. With contrast color, main color. Make sure that you have that yarn over from the previous one. You want to knit that, maybe hold it. So brioche knit, yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, brioche knit, yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, brioche knit, yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, slide your work to the other end. Work to be their contrast color. Sorry. Put the yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, brioche purl. 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 Alright, turn your work. Now we will repeat row 1A, row B. So with the contrast, main color. Yarn in front. Slip one. Brioche purl. Slip one, brioche purl, slip one with the yarn over, brioche purl. Slide your work over. Row 1B with your contrast color. Brioche knit, slip one with the yarn over, brioche knit, slip one with the yarn over, brioche knit, slip one, the yarn over, brioche knit, slip one, brioche knit, all right, row 2A. And this is the right side of the work, and we're starting to see the pink is popping. So some with the main color. With that yarn over, just hold that, and brioche knit those together. Slip one, yarn over, knit. Sorry. Slip one, yarn over, brioche knit. Slip one, yarn over, brioche knit. Slip one, yarn over, brioche knit. Slip one, yarn over. Slide it to the other side. And with your contrast color, row 2B. Yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, brioche purl. Yarn in front, slip one, yarn over, brioche purl. Make sure you purl both of those together. There we go. So this is the wrong side. And the gray, the contrast color, is the one that pops out at you. On the right side, your main color, pink, is popping out. So you just continue on this way for the 2-color brioche. For the syncopated brioche, this is where we would change colors.